Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Do you wish your favorite PlayStation 3 games felt as good as your PlayStation 4 titles? Now you can use your comfortable DualShock 4 controller to revisit those classics with a modern touch. It offers improved ergonomics and a familiar feel, making your retro gaming sessions even better. Many players prefer the responsiveness and build quality of the newer controller for a truly enhanced experience. Let's dive in and get you set up, transforming your PlayStation 3 experience today. Before we connect, it is crucial to understand some key points about compatibility. Most PlayStation 3 games will recognize your DualShock 4 when connected via USB. However, the PlayStation button and rumble features might not always work as expected. For a truly wireless experience with full functionality, including rumble, you will need a third-party adapter. Keep these limitations in mind for the best setup process. The simplest way to get started is with a wired connection. Just take a standard micro USB cable, the same one you use to charge your DualShock 4, and plug it directly into one of the USB ports on your PlayStation 3 console. Your PS3 will recognize it as a generic USB controller almost instantly. Sometimes, you might need to press the PlayStation button on a standard PS3 controller first to assign player 1. Then you can switch. It is truly that straightforward. For those seeking true wireless freedom, a third-party USB adapter is your best bet. Devices like the Brook Wingman XE or similar brands are designed to bridge this gap, allowing your DualShock 4 to mimic a DualShock 3 wirelessly. These adapters often bring full functionality, including rumble, 6-axis motion, and even the PlayStation button. Just plug the adapter into your PlayStation 3, pair your DualShock 4 according to the adapter's instructions, and enjoy seamless wireless gameplay. Once connected, whether wired or wireless, make sure to test your DualShock 4 with a few different PlayStation 3 games. Some titles might have minor quirks, so knowing what to expect is helpful. Also, remember that the controller's battery life might be slightly shorter when used this way, especially without an adapter. With these tips, you are now ready to enjoy your classic PlayStation 3 library with the comfort and precision of your modern DualShock 4. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.